Okay, here it is. My Losi with the new exhaust on. Comes out, has exhaust tips that come out. Are actually made to the pipe. I'll just turn you here. Has a chamber here, and one large chamber down here. And goes into the motor. I think that's pretty sharp looking. Only problem is travel for when you come down only goes down this much until your arms. Let's see if I could get this in a picture. So your arms right there touch the exhaust. Right here. Touches the exhaust when you go down. You still get good down travel, but that's okay. Now, you've seen it that way. Now let's put the body on. Gotta bear with me here. Okay, there we go. Now this is through my glass. Let me wipe this off real quick so you could see it. Okay. Now this is through my plexi here, as you can see, and that looks pretty good like that. That fills in that big empty area. Had a big empty area down in here, Losi 5Ts do, but that fills that area in pretty well. I like it. I think it looks pretty sharp. My next video, I'll have to show it to you running so you can hear the sound. And pipes come out back there. So, okay. Anyway, there it is. The ALX dual tuned pipe for the Losi 5T. It looks good. Looks really good in there. Okay, till my next video.